Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers and the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and I'm here today to do a flip through of my project Dreamatorium. Now, I used the Steampunk World Deluxe kit from Victoria Designs, and then I also bought a bunch of these, not cogs, but, cogs from Amazon, and you can buy them by the gram, and so you get a whole giant bag full. You buy them by the pound, basically. So this is the cover, obviously, and one of the main things that I used in this book, besides the kit papers, is glossy accents, which I love. And so there's glossy accents on the watch and on his wings. Here we go. So when you first open the book, you'll notice that there's little paper clips everywhere. And that's because it's a reminder for me, excuse me, I can't speak, of which page we did in which video. So I'm just going to take the paper out, show you the page, and then put the paper back in, okay? All right, so here's page, this is the signature cover. Same on the inside and the out, and there's just a little pocket here with an envelope. This page I made in my own little brain. That's a little Tim Holtz person, and then all of these have glossy accents on them, which you can see in the camera, and they look really nice. And these are some more of the gears. That's what the word I was looking for, the gears that I got. Good deal. Then this page is 2 belly bands held on by brads with 2 tags. And we made this one in video 2. This page. This is just a card that came with the kit, and I just printed it out and made for some extra writing space because this journal is not really a writing journal. Okay, so then another paper clip. An extra one. There's page 3 that we did in video 2, and this, let's see if I can, this is not a woman in a dress, it's an octopus. It's not a clown. Anyway, so it opens like this, and then you've got a belly band with a card, and I love the bugs on this belly band, this picture. And then the belly band, or the flap, has a flap that opens out this way. And there's a card here. And there's the card over here. I can't get a hold of it. Over here. Okay, so you fold that up. Then that makes a tuck. There's a little card here. You'd think I'd learned my lesson. Anyway, and I used some of my stamps. I had some hot air balloon stamps. And then this is the writing card that I put in under the tuck to be held. There's also a magnet in here. I almost forgot to put it back. I have to put them back. I haven't taken pictures yet. Then the next page is just what I would call an interest page, you know. I used glossy accents on his goggles, on his hat. Where am I at? Oh, I lost my light. Here we go. On his hat, and on the eyes, and on the part right here that says Octopunk. I love this. This is one of my favorite images. I almost used it for the cover. So, it's also got 3 charms. These are gears, and there's another set of charms, and they're all clocks. So, oh, maybe that was maybe that's what this paper clip went to. Where he said, oh, extra paper clip, and whipped it right off there. Okay, we made this in video 4. There's a writing card here and what looks like a pocket with some clocks and gears on it. And really, you just turn these little spinners, and all of a sudden they're holding the pocket on, because this opens out like this to give you this much writing space. I know you can't see it all on the camera, but so then there's a little gear here, and then if you push these up all the way, then you can get the writing card out. and I used salvage patina as the ink, and I also used vintage photo on the actual pages themselves. The salvage patina is the page edges, that's why they're that lovely color, and also the ephemera has been inked with that. This is another interest page. This is page 18. Let me go back. I'm leaving my clips out. Yeah, there's the card. So this is page 18 and made it in video 8. This is a fussy cut butterfly from Adamo Prints on Etsy, and I put some gears on it, and then there's some writing space right here. And then this is the other half of that card. This is the first page that we made. The reason that these pages are out of order, by the way, is that we made the pages first and set them in a big stack. We marked them left, right, middle. You know, it doesn't matter what side of the page it's on. And then we kept track of how many we had of each. And then in the end, when we had enough pages, then we made the book itself. Okay, so this is in video 1. This is a floating pocket, and on the back side of the envelope this is inked, obviously, and this is just decoration. But this card comes out. You can put a card in here. You can put a card in here, and this goes back here, and then this little one here is a card as well. And it's held on by a paper clip that I curled. And I believe it was Mandy at Sunflowers and Doors that I saw one of these in her video, and I really liked it. So, okay, it's not in all the way, but that's all right because I had to show you this page anyway. All right, so this is page 14, and we made it in video 7. This is an envelope that is just, these are like belly bands and have glossy accents on the little brown parts. And here's another one of those paper clips. And underneath here's a little bitty notebook, and it's stuck on top of another little notebook, and it's held on by the belly band. Okay. The trick to these is to not get that little curl hooked on something. And apparently that one is hooked on something, so I'm not going to mess with it. Okay, on this page, we did this one in video 6. This is a file folder that I made into a pocket. And this is the smaller version. When I first got the kit, I thought the ephemera looked like it was too big, like super big. So I printed it out on half size as well. And so this one says Take the Trail, and this says Travel and Grow. And then there's 2 more writing cards. You can see the salvage patina on there. And they're inked on the front and the back. And then I just put a little sentiment up there. Let me stick this back in. I apologize for doing that. I probably should have taken my pictures first, but sometimes you just need to do it. Okay, that's the end of signature 1. Here's the beginning of signature 2. This I really, really love. I did this myself. I hadn't seen it anywhere else or anything like that. And it's got all the gears, so 2 clocks, and 2 keys that are in there to wind the clocks. Okay, and we did that in video 7. That's page 16. This page we did in video 5, and it's a large notebook held in by a pocket, so you can actually use the pocket as well. And the notebook slides down in there. It's kind of sneaky. It looks like it's just one of the feature pages, which is, this is another, there were 2, and this is the other little card. that came with the kit. So since those two are right next to each other, you think they're the same, but really there's a notebook over here. On this we did in video 3, and the train opens, and there's a pocket back here. Then each one of these opens, and this is all one picture. You can see how it continues. I just took it apart. And then there's writing cards inside here. Okay, this is page 15, and we did it in video 7. And it's just a pocket page. We've got some ephemera in here. And on this bicycle, I put gears where there were gears in the image. And I think it turned out pretty cool. This is the back tire, or the back wheel. And it's got that big front wheel. Then on the next page is another decorative page. And, oh, in the center of this one, this signature has a little charm. I'm going to put one in the other one too. But I just didn't get a chance to. But this is a little clock. And on this page, did this in video 3, and I fussy cut out the suitcase to give it a little bit of the color other than the brown. And then on the what is he, a stork, I added a gear where the showed the gears on his insides, but they didn't work until I added the key. And then I thought he needed a little bling, so I gave him a little necklace. I did. I gave him a necklace. And this is the other charm page. There's a couple of clocks on here to match the clock in here. And the wind-up. Anyway, on this side, it's just a stacked pocket page. We did this in video 3 as well. And we added all these gears to the bottom to decorate. And I'll show you those. So we added all those to decorate. They're pretty cool. This is the other half of the card. Made this in video 8. There's a total of 10 videos. The 11th one is this one. In the 10th video, we make the cover and everything. And this is just a tuck with a glossy accents on the butterfly. And then when you take this writing card out, then you see the octopus. This is one of my favorite pictures. Oops. You can see the octopus, and I put some gears on him because he was holding gears. And this gear has a little heart in the center. It's not just a round gear, so I thought that was cute. I put it right where his little heart would be. And then this page right here, I added these across here, obviously. This is a pocket from the kit, and this is a file folder ephemera from the kit, and I put a charm on it. And then there's a little pocket on this side that I made from ephemera, and there's a little pocket on this side that I made from the shrunk down version of this one. So this side is the shrunk down version of this one. This one is the shrunk down version of this one. Okay, and they each have cards, and I put a charm on it. They never go back in, never take them out. And on this page, I put glossy accents on his glasses. I put crackle accents up here, and it crackled like his glasses were had shattered, but were still in the frames. I like it. And then there's just small ephemera in these two pockets. And that was video 4. And that's the end of the book. So I hope you liked it. I really like it. And I thank you for watching. And hopefully you'll see this and you'll watch the tutorial as well. And it's at the Sweet Pea Papers YouTube channel. Alright, well, I will see you in the next video. And that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Bye-bye.